This is the beautiful and lovely Easter gift my kids got from kindergarten and school. And this one here is for my daughter from school. Inside is they have grass and egg which is colored with rainbow colored, and it was decorated by my daughter. Just take a look how cute it is. While this other pack is also simple decoration, which I also love so much. This one here have feathers at the side, just like a little chicken. Wow. I really love them all. So I'm going to open it and see what they have inside. Wow, look at what they got inside. There are many gifts inside. Look at this little toy, so cute. Here is chocolate and egg. You know, today is Good Friday, and here in Germany how they celebrate their Easter mostly with egg. I don't really know about egg. What I know since childhood is Jesus died and resurrect on Easter day, and we don't eat meat except fish. I don't know about egg. It was nice as they're celebrating it this way. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today there's a lot of things I'm going to do, and I'm going to carry you guys along. At first, as you can see, I'm just coming from outside. I went out before. Look at me, I forgot to take this off. So at first, I'm going to unbox this standing phone. I just bought it. I saw it so cheap, I think 12 euro. I have been looking for this standing phone for a long time. I can't find it. The short one. This one is not the long one, it's the short one. So I'm going to unbox it because I can't wait to use it right now. I want to use it because this one I'm using now is the smaller one that you can hold with your hand and film whatever you want to film outside. And also I bought this speaker that you can pin in your shirt, and you can also pin the wire in your phone as well because it comes with wire. I prefer the other one that is wireless. That's normal black speaker that is very big around. I love that one, but it's so expensive. I'm not prepared for that now. This one's so cheap, 7 euro. Although it comes with wire, you can pin the wire while talking. But while the other one is without no wire, it's wireless, you can use it as if there is nothing connect with the phone. But this one, you can connect it with the phone. So I'm going to unbox this as well and show you how it is. Then after that, I'm going to paint my wall. I have decided to paint the wall. This is my corridor, and this is the wall that I want to paint. If you want to know what happened to the wall, just go to the comment section. I'm going to drop a link there, and you will see the full story about what happened to the wall. Let's unboxing. I don't really know how to use this. I don't know if it's the same thing with the one I'm using right now. This is how it is. You can cook like this with it. Oh guys, just take a look. Oh, it's like this thing is stretching. Oh, I thought it's the shorter one. Oh. I just say, let me just remove something down there. I've noticed that this thing is, look, just take a look. Wow. Look at the length. So long. I never knew that I bought this length. I was thinking it's the short one that will be good for me to cook in the kitchen. Oh. Wow. See again. Hey, anyway, it's not bad though. I think you can see that at the beginning. You can shorten it and use it to cook. You can raise it up. It's cute. I still like it. Wow, I never expect this. I thought it's the shorter one. I never knew they have the one that is stretching. You can, if you want it to short, you can make it short. If you want it to long, wow, this is super cute and so cheap. 12 euro.
Just take a look.
Wow. Look at the picture in the carton. This here. So I'm going to cut it out. Can you see that? I'm going to pin. This is the mic here. Then I'll pin this in my shirt. Let me try it out and see. Okay guys, let's get started with the painting of the wall. Come along with me. So guys, I'm done cleaning. This is how the wall look like. Just take a look guys. Compare with before and now. Look at the before one. And now, can you see the difference? Everywhere so white and beautiful. So lovely. I never knew I can paint like this. This is my first time painting a wall. I'm so happy now that I can made it so lovely. I really like it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you next on my video. And happy Easter to you all. Bye.